Hello, what's up? Ali here, and let me just show you what you can do if you are always getting some errors when activating your jailbreak. To do this, you will have to be connected on the internet. So let us go ahead and turn on our network connection. Then go to the browser. Here you will have to reset your host. So first press Option in your controller. Then choose Close Window. Option again, delete all. Press Option, go to the settings, delete cookies, and clear website data. Now here on the enter URL, you can choose whatever host you want to use. But let me just share the best host that I am using for the past years now. And from here, you can choose this tab. Click on Auto Host. Then choose this tab for the best result. This tab will just load the most essential payload to make sure that you will have the best results when activating your jailbreak. So just activate your jailbreak like usual. When you see this message, just press OK on your controller. Then your jailbreak should be back to normal. You can do this every time you are having some issues activating your jailbreak. And if you want some automatic jailbreak that doesn't use the USB, I will leave you a link on our description on how to set up your ESP32 Mini for automatic jailbreak. So this will be it. Again, this is Ali. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will definitely see you on our next video. Bye-bye.